Hello loves, so today I'm reviewing Laka's Wild Brow Shaper. And even though I really like this product, which comes in two colors and a clear version, there were a couple of bumps in the road showing it off. I usually only use a wax or just run a wand through my naturally dark bushy eyebrows to tame them, so my application game can only be described as clumsy and awkward. I am also trying to grow them out, so they aren't in the best shape right now. But even so, I think you can tell that the volume version is able to add a black color and depth to the eyebrow on the right side of the screen, which isn't as dense as the one on the left. Another bonus is that it doesn't leave my eyebrow hairs stiff or sticky. If my eyebrows were thinner, this would probably have an even more dramatic change. On the other brow, I used the balanced version, which I was not good at applying and it was very messy. But that is completely my fault, and with experience, I'd be able to avoid this. So if you have any tips for me, I would greatly appreciate it. As you can see, the balanced version adds a brown tint, which creates a more multidimensional tone to my black brows. I actually prefer the balanced version to the volume one because my brow hairs are darker than the hair on my head, so it matches a bit better in my opinion. Also, because I'm so pale, I think the volume version makes my face look a little more severe, which isn't always the look I'm going for. But honestly, I think you can't go wrong with any of their wild brow shapers. I really like Laka because as far as I know, it's the only Korean brand that promotes makeup regardless of gender, and their advertisements feature men and women wearing these products, so I think they're a great brand to support.